Alright, let me quickly mention about back button focus, which is what I actually recommend over half shutter press focus. Let me adjust my light. For my 5D, it's this button here. It says AF on. Now you get to it, every camera is going to be different, but it's always going to be found in the menu setting. And like I said, every camera is going to be different. Autofocus drive, operation others, and I can't quite remember where it is on my camera specific. Right here. So it's custom function 3, autofocus drive, lens autofocus stop, function button. But like I said, you're not going to focus at night with autofocus. It's going to be done manually. But when I mentioned auto back button focus, you use a button here in the back of the camera to focus as opposed to half shutter press. It's actually recommended. Your camera is capable of doing it. I would set it up that way and practice so it'll become second nature. I can't tell you exactly how to do it because each camera is going to be different. So I would look at your manual or Google searches or YouTube or something of your specific camera make, because my T2i is very completely different from my 5D, and I had to do a lot of hunting and actually looking it up as well to figure it out with the T2i, but I got it on my T2i as well. Alright, here's a really cool trick I want to show you now. It's how to focus if you have to, absolutely positively have to focus at night. Here's a great way to manually focus. Alright, let me turn the light off. And that would be find a very bright subject. And right now I got the moon on. Hopefully it's going behind a cloud. Alright, zoom in. Your LCD screen. If you could see that, I'm going to come up front and allow you to see it. Now if it's out of focus, it's going to look like this. Now to focus it, just keep going until it becomes a very sharp point. Just keep on dimming. Smallest point as you can. And it may take a little bit of going back and forth. You can see a star over here on the left. It take a little bit to go back and forth, but you zoom in as far as you can, see. And we should be pretty close right here. It looks pretty good. If you have to go zoom back and forth if you have to. And the moon is kind of starting to go behind a cloud, but that's one way of actually focusing on an object at night.